exercising. She beat you to it. I'm sorry. Okay, so what are some examples of exercising?
Sit-ups.
Sit-ups, okay. Running.
Push-ups.
Push-ups, okay. Anybody else?
Jump roping.
Jumping jacks. Okay. So how do you feel after you exercise? Good. Because it's so good for your body, right? Your heartbeat starts going really, really fast. That means your heart is working hard. You're helping it get healthy and big, right? Right? Yes.
Yeah. All right. So how many minutes a day do you supposed to exercise? Anybody know? Good job. Okay.
And how long is 60 minutes? That's what?
A minute.
That's 1 hour.
Oh.
60 seconds is 1 minute, yeah. But 60 minutes is 1 hour. So every day you all should exercise for at least 1 hour so you can grow up and be strong and healthy.
My uncle is.
Your uncle's strong and healthy? That's good. Okay, so does anybody like to dance? Give me some dance moves. Let me see some dance moves. Okay, anybody else got some dance moves for me?
Come on,
Okay,
guys.
well,
You gotta
since
know some dance moves.
Since it's beach day, we're gonna give y'all some dance moves to do. So when we say swim, we want you to do like this. Everybody do it with me. Come on.
You gotta practice. Good job.
And when we say dive, you're gonna dive in the pool like this.
Okay.
Everybody gonna do it. Come on,
Good job.
stand up. Everybody stand up. Okay, so what I say when I say swim, we go swim in the pool. And when I say dive, we're gonna go woo. Ready? Woo. What's another way to swim? We got the backstroke. So we're gonna do that really, really fast.
You gotta get those arms moving and get that heart rate up. Good job. Right.
Okay, so, and then we're gonna do one more where we just roll. You know, just go roll really, really fast.
As fast as you
Splash
can.
the water. Ooh. Okay? So
That's
let's,
actually splashing it on yourself.
yeah, on yourself. Go all up, get all wet. Okay, so we're ready to do some music. Fine. All right, we're gonna start swimming. Let's go.
Come on, it's a shark behind you. You gotta get away from it.
Okay, backstroke.
All right, get them arms.
Let's dive. Woo! Okay, let's swim again. Come on, that's the shark. Woo!
All right, guys.
Let's roll.
Fast as you can.
And backstroke.
Right. You guys are ready for it.
Ooh, well. Yeah. And dive. Woo. Roll. Come on, you gotta get faster. Faster. Come on. I'm beating y'all to it. Come on. Backstroke. Backstroke.
All right.
Woo! Great job. Everybody heart beating fast? You get your heart beating?
Are you out of breath? That's exercise.
Y'all have fun? Y'all can do that in the water.
Remember, you gotta take those moves out to the pool area now. Get you tired now?
No diet. That's just for fun.
Now, how long did they tell you needed to exercise? 60 minutes. What are some ways that you can exercise other than dancing? Jogging, sit-ups. What's some other ways? Run in place. Jump rope. That's it. How about throw it back to me. Over here. going to be couch potatoes this summer, are we? No. We're not going to watch TV all summer, are we? No. We're going to get out and exercise for
60 minutes.
60 minutes every day this summer. We're going to eat healthy. What are some things you're going to eat?
Apples.
Apples. What else?
Water.
Water.
Brownies. Pears. Red beans.
Red beans.
Watermelons.
Watermelons. Very good.
Oranges.
Oranges. Very good. We're going to have our good healthy snacks all summer, and we're going to exercise all summer. So when you come back to school next year, you'll be big and strong, right? Because we need to eat healthy and exercise to have good, strong muscles and bones, right? All right.